I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
It's not so much the change. I'll tell you the most important thing to me when I look back and I talk to anyone that has come into Bitcoin, it's not the change afterward. The change comes beforehand. The change is before you even get there. Because you just don't come into Bitcoin, yeah, boom, I'm in, let's do this shit. No, you were prepped for this. You were prepared for Bitcoin from an early age, or your education, your own way of discovery of learning what is wrong with the current system. The change afterward, that's sort of easy. Okay, I gotta eat steak now. No more carbs for me, motherfucker. That kind of thing. But I'll tell you this: the change happened for years. The change, I don't know if you know, 10, 20, 30 years. You understood something was broken. And that's the beautiful thing. Once you arrive to Bitcoin, I don't care what angle you came in at, you know, the circle has 360 degrees. But man, people come in from an economic angle, a mathematical type of angle, I just want to pay my bills kind of angle. This is the beautiful thing about Bitcoin is that you come here for a different reason. But once you get here, look at the four of us that hopefully in the future people will look at and say, these guys were the most beautiful people in the world that understood what's going on. Bitcoin draws people. It's a magnet, man. It's a goddamn magnet that draws people in. Bitcoin brings you together because it's the truth. It's the absolute truth about the world. Nothing being, created and lied about. It's the truth. And this is why we're here.